Yeah. You try this two first. Three. Okay, well done. What about the next one? Number 4. So let's see. Yeah. If you say number 4, let us compare and make them have the same denominator. You say number 4, right? 9 times 7, 63. Yeah. So let's see now. If it's 63, then this one will be what? Times 9 times 9. This one is 36 over 63. You agree? Is that? Yes, right? This one times 7 times 7. So only 28 over 63. So this is smaller than this. They want someone greater. Come, Akil, you try number 1 first. Then we can try number 2. Number 2, we are still waiting for the right answer. Oh, sorry. Number 3 for question 1, correct? Okay. What about question number 2? Question number 2. Is that try question number 2 again? Okay, this one I remove all this. Which one is greater? Okay, so Akil say number 2. Izzat, what about you? Number 4 doesn't work, right? That's not a proof to you. Number 4 cannot work. We can try. We see Izzat one. Number 2 also. Okay, number 2, this is 2/3. Huh? 1 is 2/3. This one 4/7. Let's compare. Times by 3. Times by 3. So this is 12/21. For your answer to be correct, this must be more than 12, or must be more than 12 or 21. So you times 7, times 7, and you are correct. This is 14/21. So number 2 is bigger than, yeah, well done. Number 2 is correct. Yeah? This is Raffles Girls. For your information, this is this year's exam paper. This year, so no, not last year. So this is a paper 1 of this year's paper. Prelim paper, just a month ago, or less than a month. Okay, we try now, this one. Okay, Akil says 2. What about Izzat? Izzat says it's 1. Now, you must make sure that if they give you this, you must go to this point and put the compass here. Must put the compass here, you know. Then, you know, this one is west, east, south. Of course, on top is north. So which one is southwest? Southwest down here. Right? A is what? A is west only. A is west. Can you see that? Is that? A is west. Is that? Can you see that? When you say off point E, you must put the compass at the point E. Okay? A, your answer number 1 is west of point E. B is southwest. C is south. D is southeast. of E. I hope you all okay. This one. Find the volume of the cuboid. Area of shaded faces down here, shaded face, 18. 18. Okay, find the volume. Okay, now Akil. Okay, you look a little bit sad. What happened? Are you sad? No. Sad. Well done. Well, straight flush. What about Izzat? Can do that, Izzat. Okay. Now you must remember what's the formula for volume, Izzat? For the thing is length times breadth times height. Now you down here you got the length, you know. Breadth times height, they already give you, they tell you is 18. This is breadth, this is height. You times, you get this part down here. So just take 18 times 4, 72. Okay? Sometimes they might give you, they times it for you. In this case, they times it for you. Are you okay, is that? Length times breadth times height. Can you see now, is that? Is that can see? Cannot see, Can see? Down here, this is breadth, right? This is height, right? So they tell you that the area is 18. Breadth times height. You see, they times it for you already. 18. So you just take 4 times 18, I get 72. Okay. Here we go. Next one. Where is our brother ni? Brother lambat Number 4. CBD. This one, CBD. Oh, okay, is that? What about Akila? Have you gotten? 2. Akil says 2. Izzat says 3. Let us see. We want to find this red one. Down here, this one opposite. You all know opposite angle 36. You just need one more angle down here you can find. Okay, let's see now. This one is 70. You agree, right? 180 minus 110. Then this one is 180 minus 70 minus 40. You get 70, Correct or not? 70, 70, 140, yeah. Then now here, 180 minus 70, 110. 180 minus 110 minus 36. Okay. 180 minus 110 is 70. 70 minus 36. Okay, now you give a different answer here. It's 34. 34, number one. Number of you don't. Akil just give the new answer. But these are questions you can get correct. Just now, of course, we are going faster because otherwise too slow, too boring. So exam time, you got the time. You got time to take it not so fast. What's the mess of watermelon? You see, they write for us today. Okay, we remove that part. By right, it's supposed to be not be there. Yeah, I remove this part. I remove this part. You say number one, Mr. Akil say number one. What about Izzat? Do you agree number one as well? Is it number one? Number one, yeah, number one. Okay, but you can, you know that the 5, this one is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, quite easy, yeah. Now remember your PSLE is going to be like that also. Okay, most probably. Inshallah. Find a parameter. Wow, very fast, is that? Very fast, congratulations. All right, both what correct? Number one, times by 5, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 5. Well done. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, number 8. So far. Number 3, Akil. Fast. I have not even read the question now. Let's see how fast you are. You see, it might be correct, might be wrong. We do not know. Oh, is that say IDK? I don't know. Okay, we draw a model. Let's see whether Akil is correct. Akil has given answer is number 2 or 3, Akil. Is it number 2 or 3? It says. Akil are tired. Now down here, we draw this thing. It's good to draw this model. Number, okay. Oh, ya Allah. Oh. Okay. They say 1/4 in magazine, so I'm dividing it to 1/4. This one down here will be magazines, in brown. Now, then they say half of the remaining are fiction. Half of remaining down here. I divide this into 2, like half. Can see now. Now, if I divide into 2, actually I can divide all them into 2, like that. Can see now. Now I have how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us see now. Let us see here. You have now how many units is magazine? 2 units in magazine. Yeah, how many units is fiction? From here to here is fiction. 3 units. Can see now. 1, 2, 3. Can see 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then what's the ratio number of fiction books to the number of magazines? 3:2. Can see now, boys. You know how I've done it. Okay. I do not know whether you get it, but this is, can you see that? The fiction books is like that. Akil can get it. Akil. Is it IDK still or you get it? Can get it now? Can, So you need to draw the model sometimes. You don't draw the model, very difficult to understand. The model is a way to understand. A way to, okay, try it. Come. Number 9. You take your time, okay? Number 9. Akil can do or not, Akil? You mind tell me? Okay. Is that you say 4, is it? 3. What about Akil? 3. Okay. I show you. She used 70%. How many percent did she save? She must save 100 minus 70 and 30%. That means this is 30%, you know. 30% is $2,100. This is what it is. You want to find how much? How much she have at first? 100%. You want to find 100%. So you can find 1%, 1, 2, but I find 10% easier lah. Easier to calculate. I divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, divide by 3. Then divide by 3 down here. 700 lah. Come on, both of you didn't get the correct answer. Then from here now, I times by 10. 10 times 10, 100. I times by 10. 7,000. So Izzat, you get it, no, Izzat? You see down here, the total savings is 100%. Total savings 100%. Use 70. So the balance is 30%. This 30% is 2,100. So I just divide by 3, I find 10%. Then why 10%? I just times by 10, 100%. So the answer is 7,000 here. Akil, okay, Akil? Are you okay? Okay, I assume it's okay now. All right. This one now is algebra. Let us see. This one you just try, it's okay, eh? You take it for next year lah. Siapa ni mau masuk ni? Ada seorang mau masuk, siapa ini? Syakir. Ya, try ni lah, try ni. Take it as extra lah, okay? Okay, let's see whether you're correct. What about Mr. Akid? It's okay, Zach. It's okay. Actually, this is the same like model. Only thing they use ABC. Can do, Akil? Akil says 3. What about Syakil? Assalamualaikum ya Syakil. Apa khabar? Now this is pen. Okay, I just draw the N. Pen. 1 pen. So how many pens you want? 3 pens. Oh, 3 pens means how many N? 2N. 3N. Okay, 3 pens means 3N. Okay, now it becomes 3 pens now. Then they tell you 1 book. If you have a book, 1 book, this is $6 more. So the pen is N, you must plus 6 for 1 book, you know. They want how many books? 2 books. 2 books, you have 1 more, 1 more book down here. Down how you get? N plus 6. So now altogether, how much they ask? What altogether, how much? This one is 3N, right? Down here is 3N. How many N down here? 1N, 1N, 2N. You plus to the 3N. 3N plus 2N. Where is 3N? 3N is the price of the 3 pens. 2N we get from here, from the books. But you must then plus some more. 6 plus 6, 12. So it's 5n plus 12. Okay, congrats those who got it correct. I think is that you got it correct. Okay, well done. Shakil, 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 how are you, Shakil? Good. Macam baru bangun tidur je. Baru bangun Sakit Sakit? Apalah dia selalu jawab. I ever heard people talking on the phone. Have you heard? I've heard people talking. Serious. Apalah. Ni apa ni? Aku ni bukan manusia, aku makhluk. Okay. Okay, can we try this one? Number 11. No using calculator, Shakil. I can hear your calculator. Don't, Shakil.
5.
5.
No, why?
This paper 1.
No, why cannot use calculator?
Paper 1, you cannot use calculator. This is paper 1. Because you don't know this paper 1. MCQ is paper 1. Okay, Akil says 4. Let's see. Actually, this one you use logic also, you know though. You pakai logic dah tahu dah. Okay, well done. Is that? Now let us look at one by one. We look at the question. Okay? How much did she pay for the bag with the GST? It cannot be she paid $56 lah. This joker lah, if you say $56. The bag is $800. Takkan bag plus GST is $56. So less than 800 is out. This one now, the 7% they changed to dollar because 807. This one so out also lah. 7% is how much? GST. 7/100 times 800. How much do you get? You will get 56. Good. So you must take 56 plus 800. 856. Well done to those who got it correct. Congratulations. So sometimes looking at the question, you already know which one is the nonsense question, which one is not. Now remember, question 11 to 15, 2 marks each. 2 marks each. So you got to think about a set. One set of 20 and 50-cent coins is made up of how many coins? And what is the value of the coins? Then you can do this one. You go Chacha Koti, I don't know whether Izzat has given the answer quite fast. This one I need to show you, you need to see carefully. Then, okay, no problem. Okay, we must think in terms of set. Akil can do Akil. Okay, so we think in terms of set. Okay, Shakil, we think in terms of set because they already give you the set. They say every 5 20-cent coins, there'll be 2 50-cent coins. This is one set. What is one set? One set of coins. One set of coins will be, I write it down here. One set is 5 20-cent coins. Okay. Plus 2 50-cent coins. So 5 20 cents is how much? 5 times 20, $1 lah. Plus 2 50-cent, also $1. So these 7 coins, you got 5 coins here, 2 coins here, 7 coins. These 7 coins, the value is $2. 1 cent, the value is $2. And it's made up of 7 coins. What 7 coins? 5 20-cent coins, 2 50-cent coins. Now what to do? You take the value. Now the value is $40. We write here $40. You want to find how many sets now? You want to find how many sets make this $40? One set is $2, you know. So you take 40 divided by 2. You get 20 sets. So 20 sets, yes, 20 sets. Now they ask you how many coins are there? One set is 7 coins. 5 plus 2, 7 coins. 20 sets. 20 times 7 lah. 20 times 7. 140 coins. Okay, let me look at how you. Is that you understand? Is that? Don't understand? Say don't understand. You understand? Is that? Understand? Wow. Akil, you understand? Akil? Really? Wow. Shakil, you understand? Hear that. Okay. Then in that case, I have to give you another question, my own question. Okay, this one got tabung. You know, in the madrasa, they give you tabung to bring home. In madrasa, they ask them to bring home a tabung. Okay. So now let's say now you open up the tabung. Tabung ni piggy bank. Then you found out there's some 50-cent coins and some 10-cent coins. For every 1 50-cent coins, okay, there will be 3 20-cent coins. Okay. Now, every one, there's 3. The total value is $11. Can you find out how many coins are there inside? You try, but go by set first. One set is what? 1 50-cent coin, 3 20-cent coins. Ask yourself how many coins, what's the value? Okay, I give you 1 minute. 1 minute to think. Just a moment. This is not at home now for me. I'm in my office. Okay, 1 minute to think. This step normally come up with paper 2 lah. But down here they give paper 1. Okay, so okay. Akil can do? Akil can do? Shakil? Okay. 1 50-cent coin, 3 20-cent. 3 20-cent coins are 60 cents. So one set is not 50 plus 60. One set is $1.10, you know. Like that. Now, one set got how many coins? 1 coin, 3 coins. There's 4 coins. Then they say now the value is how much? The value is $11. How you get $11? This one you must times 10. You must times 10, you can get $11. What does it mean? How many sets is it? It means down here, this you must also times by 10, you know. You have to times by 10. So when you times your 10 becomes 10 sets. Okay, I hope I don't lose you already. Then this one you must times by 10. So how many coins are there? 40 coins. So the answer is 40 coins. Okay, I'm worried I'm losing you guys. Okay, we do something else. We do something else now. Okay. Okay, do one this one, do one this one. Do one this one. Okay, then let's see. Yeah. We do hold on. Do this. Can you try question 8, please? Question 8. This is from MGS, Methodist Girls School. Also, this is paper. So this is paper. Okay, you say number 1 again? Not yet. Number 4. Shakil, come, what's your answer, Shakil? For this one, question number 8. We're looking at question number 8. Number 4. Okay, you say number 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
180 minus 78
Then?
divided by 2.
Okay, what? Okay, so you divide by 2, that means you found this one. I think once you do that, like that, you found down here, which is part of it. But so you found this one. Divide by 2, you get the answer already. Now, where you want to find? Remember, you want to find ADE. You want to find this one. But it's good, you know how to find this one. How much is it? Okay, let's see whether you're right. Is that? Okay, is that saying the answer is that? Okay, what do you get when you do that? According to Sheikh Akil's method, you will get down here is 51, you know. This one is how much? They're asking for you for this one now. I color in green. This Ija one. How to find? Come on, very easy. Shakil, score the goal, Shakil. You already know it's 51 down here. Take 90 minus 51. You get 39.
The one 90 minus 51.
Yeah, because you found this now. You only found this
because
one.
Is it is it this thing?
Which thing?
This one.
Cannot see,
This one.
Yeah, we are looking at the green one,
Oh.
because ADE. You are finding EDC or CDE. You want ADE. Okay, so it's okay, right? This one. Number 10. Careful, the questions asking how much longer. They didn't ask you for how long is that graph. We must find out how much is that graph, but how much longer is it? Akil cannot. Akil, you're blinking. Tired ah? Are you tired? Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Izzat has given an answer. Let's see. What about the rest? Maybe you're right, Izzat. I'm not too sure. Okay, Akil says number 3. Izzat says number 4. What about Sheikh Akil? Okay, Akil number 3. Sheikh Akil? So far, quite a number of students got this wrong. No? I don't
Yeah.
say, yeah.
Is it 2:15 plus 2:45 plus 4 o'clock plus
Can,
4:06?
cannot. That one cannot. That one just do chinchan. Now we must know how to read this one, you know. Okay, we go step by step. We go step by step. You see now. He wants to watch what? He wants to watch art and craft. So this one start at this time. Finish what time? Finish at 4. So how long is it? You minus, you get 1 hour, 15 minutes. And then they're looking at music appreciation. Music appreciation from 4 to 5 now. How many minutes? 50 minutes. So they're asking you, this one 50 minutes, this one 1 hour, 15 minutes. How long is art and craft than music? Minus lah. 50 minutes. This is 10 minutes more to 60 minutes. This one is 1 hour, 50 minutes. So you take 1 hour, 15 minutes minus 50 minutes. What do you get? You get 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Okay, you see, 50 minutes, you plus 10 minutes now, it becomes 1 hour. This one's 1 hour, 15 minutes. So that means you must plus another 15 minutes. 10 plus 15 is how much more time the program is compared to music appreciation. 6. Okay, average weight. Is that you see the answer number 4, is it? No. Is that say number 1? What about the rest? You 1 minute more, 1 minute more. Can I kill? Can do that. Number 2. Shakir. Okay, we find the total weight of the 3 bags. Total weight is 3 times 10. 30 kg. And then a new bag, 6 kg. 6 kg is added, you know. Okay, so there's 6 kg here added. So you add to 30 kg how much? 36 kg. All together, huh? The 3 bags plus 4 bags. So what's the average? Average equals the total weight divided by number of bags. Total weight is 36 kg. Divided by 4 bags equals to 9 kg. The new average is 9 kg. Okay. This one. This is a good question. Let's see whether you can do it. Izzat, you say answer number 1 also. So fast you do. Too fast. Can again. Answer not correct, I said. You know why? Because they're renting 2 bikes, not 1 bicycle. Akil, you say number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Let's see. What about Shaki? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Number 3. Okay, we come. First of all, let's see what's the rate now. He ran from yeah.
Is it 350 plus 120?
And then
Sekejap I do the calculator.
but it must be for 3 hours. No, yours only 2.5 hours. First 2 hours down here 2 hours. Okay. This one we want how many hours? 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 3 hours. So this one you must have 1 hour. This one 350, correct?
So is it 4.7?
4.7. That's 2.5 hours. We want 3 hours. And that's only for 1 bicycle. We want 2 bicycles. 2 bicycles, no. So 120 minus times 2, you get 240. Plus together, 350 plus 240, how much you get? 590. This one. But this is only for 1 bicycle. Must times 2 to get 2 bicycles. What do you get? 1180. You must read carefully. This is the time given. You must find out how many hours they're going to cycle. And then they tell you it's 2 bicycles they're going to rent, not 1 bicycle. Okay? Akil said number 2, you can draw and cut this one. Akil, you try to cut this one, Akil. Show us how to cut. Akil say number 3. Okay, Akil show us how to cut. Or Izzat or Shaki, you know how to cut this thing? Izzat can cut this figure into smaller part, equal part. Can cut Izzat. If you can cut, you try to cut. Then you all can see. Let's say 1, huh? Okay. Let us see now. They say, huh? They say this one, you must be very careful now. Now 3. Okay. They say AE 2 times of ED. So if I cut that, I can have 3 parts now. AE is 2 parts, ED is 1 part. Why? AE is 2 times what? Oh, if like that, huh? You know what I can do? I can cut it into equal parts. Okay. Watch, huh? I cut it to equal parts. Now you count in terms of triangle. How many parts are shaded? In terms of triangle. Now they are equal triangles. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts shaded. Altogether, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 over 12. Then you can reduce, divide by 4. Divide by 4. And Iz's answer is correct, 1/3. So for this question, you can actually divide it into equal parts. And then you count and then just shade it. Okay. Come back to this one, huh? Let us try. Let me finish. Okay. We try this one. Question 16. Question 16. You are supposed to put in the sign into the boxes. I'm going to put in the sign. Try now. Akil, you can fill in the blanks. You can write on the screen. Akil, write on the screen. Yeah, I'll give you the answer. This is the answer. Times here. And then times here. Plus. 3 times 5, 15 plus 2, 17. Then 17 times 4. 17 times 4, how much? Let me see. Here. Okay. Okay, can we try this? Okay, let's see whether you're correct. Izzat give an answer. What about Shakir and Akil? One minute more. So we go backward in time. So it's 21:30. That's the N.
Is it like 1915? But then that the other part I don't know.
Okay, 1915. If you say 1915, it means it's 7:15. They want it in 12-hour clock, cannot be 24-hour clock. 1915 minus 12, I think 12 is 7:15. So let us check now. He ended at 21:30. 21:30 is 9:30, okay. And then what? Let us go in reverse now. Okay, he needs 2 hours and 45 minutes now. So you must go 2 hours and 45 minutes earlier. So 2 hours, 45 minutes earlier. Can 30 minus, this one is hour, this one is minute. 30 cannot minus 45, so you must borrow. Borrow 1 from here, you get 20. You might, then you plus, you get 60 minutes, not 100 minutes. So now you rewrite it. You get 20 hours. 30 plus 60 is 90 minutes. Then you minus what? Minus 2 hours and 45. Correct? Is it correct? What do you get? You get 45 minutes here. And then 20 minus 2, you get 18. So this is the timing at 18:45 in 24-hour clock. But they don't accept this. You must change it to 12-hour clock. So you minus 12. But when you do minus 12, you get 6:45 p.m. Okay, this is the correct answer. You got to go backwards. Notice how I do it. Some students are not comfortable with minusing, but I show you again how we minus. 21:30 minus 2 hours 45. This one is hours. This one is minutes. 30 minus 45, you need to borrow more minutes. So you borrow 1 hour, 1 hour 60 minutes. So that's why now becomes 90 minutes. And this one is left with 20 hours. So 90 minus 45, you get 45. 20 minus 2, you get 18. So you will get the same answer here. Then this, you make it to 12-hour clock. You minus 12 hours, you get 6:45 p.m. Okay, can you try question now? No using calculator, question 18 and 19. 18 and 19. Come on. No using calculator. And they want it as a fraction, mixed number. I went forward. Forward. Oh, you went forward. Okay. Terlajak lah. So you can bring it to lowest term. The 2 out of n, can you bring it? And I don't think it's 2 out of 10. It's 2 out of 4, 2 out of 10. When you divide by 4, you didn't divide by 10. Your denominator is that should be 4. Come on, you can do long division for this one. Score the goal, score the goal. I know you're tired. I'm also tired. Come, I'm tired. That's why I keep wiping my face. No, don't. Yeah, correct. I think you're correct, Mr. Izzat. What about Akil can do that, Akil? Cannot. Just 42 divide lah. You divide, okay, how to divide? Divide by 4, you get 10. Sorry, you get 10 down here. Below you get 40. Remainder 2. So 10 whole, 2 out of 4. But you still need to reduce further. 10 whole and a half. Very simple. Can? Just 42 divided by 4. Okay, never mind. You try the next one. Hold on, I'm gonna. This one everyone can do lah. Shakir, you're not doing this, means you're not trying. Come on, Shakir, push yourself, Shakir. Push yourself.
Teacher,
Yeah,
191.54.
0.50.
191.54.
Well done. Do you use the calculator?
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar. This boy, hello, this paper one lah. Macam mana nak pakai?
Yeah.
Not paper two. Paper two, they don't give you so easy like that. You see, 201, you must make sure you align to the dot. Not like that. Make sure you align. They put a 0 down here. So now, borrow, get 3 down here. 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 8, tak boleh minus. So what to do? Borrow from neighbor. Same kind 0, 200. Some 13. 13 minus 8, 5. Dot down here, put a dot. 200 minus 9. 200 minus 9 is 191. 0.54. What Syakir says is correct, but he used a calculator lah. Calculator cannot lah. This one is also quite a good question. Number 20.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clearly.
Teacher.
Yes.
8 plus 5 plus 0.
Sorry?
8 plus 5 plus 0.
And then?
Divided by 3.
Allahu Akbar. Look, Monday he worked 8 hours, Tuesday worked 8 hours, Wednesday worked 8 hours, Thursday worked 8 hours. You must times by 4 here because there are 4 days. This one, Friday, Friday and Saturday 2 days. You must times this by 2 first. Add together, don't divide by how many? Divide by 7 days. What they want to know, how many days you work in that day, how many hours you work in a day. So you add all the hours. Come on, come on. You can do this, you can do this. Very easy, very easy. Result 66. Akil siapa ni Akil? Akil dah penat dah. Apa yang Akil buat ni? What is that? Wire. Okay, share Akil. To make you understand even better, we put that Monday. Oh, we do Mondays, yeah. You like Monday, Tuesday. Allah Akbar. Sorry lah. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there's 7 days, you see, Akil. Later you must divide by 7. So let's fill up what we know. We know Sunday is kosong. Saturday, 5 hours. Friday, 5 hours. Thursday, 8 hours. Wednesday, 8 hours. Tuesday, 8 hours. Monday, 8 hours. How do we know? They tell you down here. So you find what's the total number of hours. Like what Shakir, it's not 8 plus 5 plus 0, but that's the wrong way. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 0. What do you get? You get 32 plus 10, 42 hours in total. Okay. And then you divide by how many? Divide by 7 days because there are 7 days in a week. What do you get? You get 6. Congratulations to Mr. Izzat. 6 hours per day is the average answer. Hold on. Okay, this one. But they ask you to find the value of M. No, M is one side. Is that you will say one side is 86, 4 sides is how many? But the total, can you see now? Total perimeter is 148. Perimeter B is 12 meters more than perimeter A. You calculate now. This is M. This is like algebra actually. Or you can use units. M. How many M's are there? Something like that. Okay, I will show you shortly. 15.5. Let us see whether you're correct in a moment. 23. Akil can do tak Akil? Akil dah tired lah. Syekh Akil pun dah giling kepala. Okay. We can draw. Cannot do. What you think? You cannot. Okay. We draw this. This is example the perimeter of A lah. PA. Perimeter of B, you put PB lah. PB is how much longer than PA? You look at the question, they tell you it's 12 cm. Okay, and then this whole thing is equals to 148. Okay, hold on. Okay, this whole thing is equals to 148. Okay. So you understand what this means? Okay, if I'm gonna draw it in another way, I draw it like that. Watch, I draw it like that. Perimeter of square A plus perimeter of square A plus 12 is equals to 148. So what to do? Step 1, take 148 minus 12. So 148 minus 12. What do you get? You get 136, correct? Then 136 divided by what? This is M. 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 How many M's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 136 divided by 8. And then you will get the answer, which is 17. So one side is 17. All the sides are 17. Of this one, as I said, this one is the whole thing now. We change it to smaller square plus 12. You don't need to find one side, but this is actually M plus something. M plus something, M plus something, M plus something. It's actually how much? If this is, let me see, plus 12, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Okay. I will open up another paper lah. I do not want it to be too tough for you.
Sir.
Yeah.
Finish.
Not finish, not finish. Don't lagi.
Finish.
Erase. What is it? What is it?
No, the he leave.
What is it?
He go leave.
I don't understand what you say.
Alamak.
Oh, Akil leave. Tak
Ha.
apalah. Maybe dia dah internet dia lousy lah. Okay, we try now. We go back to this. Okay, we have 20 minutes more. We push ourselves lah. If you are tired, you wash your face, okay? Or take a drink or something. For me, what do? I have my own ramuan. I take a wet tissue paper. And then,
Ada minyak tu.
tak minyak. And then, yeah. Okay, so Izzat have already given the answer to the first one. What's your answer? Akil is coming back. Izzat given 2 answers already. Wow. Cepatnya Izzat. Izzat, just give you a moment for your friends to catch up. Okay, can we try question 1 and 2? 1 and 2, please. Izzat says to the nearest 1,000, Izzat. Congratulations, Izzat, for number 1. Answer is correct. What about number 2? And your answer is correct also. Okay, come, we'll try question 1 and 2. Come on. Very easy, very easy. Mr. Shakil, what's your answer for one, Shakil? Akil or Shakil, come on. Over. Otherwise, Shakil now dah disappear dah. Okay, to the nearest 1,000. Akil, you know how to do? Can, right? Izzat so dah run away. Six five nine 509. So now you want to the nearest what? To the nearest 1,000. So identify where's 1,000's place. Ones, tens, 100,000. This and the 9 is 1,000. Huh? So what do? We look to the right. Down here, 1,000. We look to the right. Do we plus 1? Yes, we plus 1. Once we plus 1 becomes 660. And all the rest becomes 0. So answer number 3. Well done to Izzat. Now we try the next one. Which digit stands in the, okay, digit 8. Okay, we look at it. Which place? 4, 5, 6.078. You must always identify the ones first down here. Then this one is tens, some tens, 100, 1,000. So this is 1,000. Easy, yeah? Okay, we move on to the next one. You want it bigger or put it bigger? What's the reading at X? Hey, come on, guys. We only got another 2 more Wednesdays before Dabira. And the last Wednesday will be a Tuesday. No? Because Thursday is your exam. Question number 3, come on. Got 15 minutes more to go. Two more weeks. Okay, Akil says number 4. Akil says number 4. Is it true? Is number 4? Let us look at this one. From here, okay, Akil said number 4. Let us see. What about Izzat? Izzat said number 4 also. But boys, you're not looking carefully, you know. Look, from here to here, you plus by 0.1. 9.8 become 9.9. Then this one becomes 10. Down here is already 10. This one 10.1. Can see now. From here to here, you plus 0.1. From here to another with 0.1 become 10. Then 10.1. Correct? Huh? So this one is not 3 or 4. The answer is either 1 or 2. So let us see now. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 10, 0, 2. Okay. Are you okay now? I don't know whether you are okay. 10 or 2, cannot be 10 or 1, no. If it's 10 or 1, 10 or 1, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, cannot be. But 10 or 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, 10.010, which is actually 10.1. Okay, move on to the next one. Which one has a pair of parallel lines? Eh? Parallel. If you're not sure which one is parallel, you try the opposite. Which one not parallel, you cancel off. Is that say 4, is it? Is that say 4? No. Is that says 3? Okay, let's see. Okay, is that let us draw, huh? We try now. You must use a ruler in school, okay? You say C, A, B. I extend like that. Then this one, number 3, C, D. Can you see they're getting closer and closer and closer and closer to each other lah? Can you see not the line? This one is big here, small here. That means at some point in time they will meet. So this is not the answer. Any other answer come? So this one is out, huh? What about B, E, and D, F? We can try lah. But you do like that, can you see now? After what you meet, huh? So this one is also not the answer. A, D. A, D, okay, I just not the answer. How okay, you got the answer? A, D, and B, C. Number 1. But you look carefully that this one also. This one is also getting closer and closer and closer and closer. After some point in time, you will think. So the answer must be number 2 lah. So let us see number 2. We see AE and CF. Yeah lah, can see it doesn't meet lah. It's straight. So this is the answer. Okay. This one. You want to write on the screen, please carry on. If you need to write on the screen, please carry on. Izzat says 3. Let's see whether you're correct, Mr. Izzat. What about the rest? Shakir, you can do this, Shakir. Come on, Shakir. You can do this.
Kan ini isi aja.
Alamak. Okay. They're asking you to find G. We don't look at the thing first. Now you can see it. You can calculate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
90.
The answer is 90.
No. 180 minus 90 minus 35. Is that correct, Isha?
Then what do you find?
I
Correct.
think use calculator lah.
Okay, I give you a clue. Boys and girls. Boys. No girls. Down here. Alamak. Sorry. I give you a clue. Can see that.
It's equals to 55.
Look. These two are the same. These two are the same. So how many degrees is this side? So how many degrees, Syakil? Kat sini how many degrees? Together combined. This is 90 degrees, you know. 5 degrees, 95 lah. This is 95. Okay, and then if you can find this angle, you can find this angle because this both is 95. Down here is 90. 90 minus 35 give you 55. Right? 90 minus 35 gives 55. So this one, take 95 minus 55. What do you get? 40. Is it correct, huh? Do you get it? See, these two add up to 95. 95. Okay, I hope you get it, eh? You get it, no? 40 degrees, huh? So, is there a number 2 there? It's number 2. For number 5 is number 2. Okay, let us move on. Another angle question. Find angle A. Now, later we can look at the choice. Imagine you are supposed to find angle A. Rhombus, you know, is a Sept square. Rhombus is a Sept square. Come on, come on, come on. Can get or not? This is rhombus. Rhombus means it's a square that's Sept, huh? So this one on here, all the same.
Yeah.
Hmm.
180 minus 23.
Okay, and then
And then you got 157.
157 is for these two angles. Then how?
So can I say the answer?
Okay, what's the answer?
110.
110. Okay, can you explain to us how you do? You know this angle? Okay, this angle, you know? How much? Okay. 76, eh? This one now how much? 180 plus 70, this 76 plus this angle got 180. So 180 minus 76, 104. The whole thing is 104. You divide by 2, you get 52 down here. This angle is 52. Now you can find angle A. 180 minus 23 minus 52, get this one. But let's see whether we get 110. Minus 23 minus 52. There is a 5 there. 180 minus, okay, let me calculate. 105. You said 105, is it, Akim? Let us see now whether that is the correct answer. Number 3 lah, is 105. Okay, we do one last question again, or one or two last questions. Okay. We have only 2 more weeks. You know, in 2 weeks' time is your exam, eh? Don't keep on telling you guys. Okay, I won't tell you guys. This one now. But then, some guess one. You don't need to learn anything. You don't need to calculate anything. Come on, come on, come on. Is that what do you think it is? Izzat says that very light, Izzat. You're like feather, Izzat. Must be one level higher. What about Akil? How many gram is this pen? Yes, now your answer is correct, is that? Shakil.
Sir,
Yeah, what's that?
2 point
2 point. Say it. 2.25. Very light, 2.25.
2.25 gram.
22.5 gram, yes.
22.5 gram.
This is a 22 kg. That means it's heavier than a sack of rice. Cannot be, right? 2 kg plus is also quite heavy. 22.5 is okay. This one is like feather, right? 2 gram, 1 gram is like feather. Or maybe a sheet of paper like that. Like that. Maybe 2 gram, whatever. Okay. We move on to the very last question. Remember, if you see off something, means what? Put the compass there. Question number 12. Point E is southwest of what? We did that just now. Akil, this is your special ability. Akil, last question, Akil. You can make it, Akil. Number 12. Come on, Akil. I know you all are tired. Izzat, come on, Izzat. Akil say number 4. Kenapa number 4? Number 4, okay, maybe. Okay. Of D. Down here, you must put the compass, no? Off, I mean, put the compass here. You must put, cannot be this one, southwest of D, then go below lah. Tak boleh. You have terbalikkan the whole thing. Izzat got it. Okay, so I put the Izzat in the answer. If you put now down here, put the compass here. Put the compass at A. Off point A, you put the compass here. You go down, E is actually southwest because this is south, north, west, east. Southwest is here. Both D and E are southwest of point A. Okay, guys, there's only 2 more weeks left. You got to try your best to do extra work lah, extra papers, whatever it is. All right, and go all out to succeed. Inshallah, you will succeed. Inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.